What's up, YouTube? I just picked this bike up right here. This is my 1990 K75 RT. It's a BMW bike. Picked it up stupid cheap, so I decided to get it. Just a couple things I need to fix. As you can see, just a couple things I've already done off camera, which is take off that goofy ass thing. But yeah, so far, my plans are to make this thing kind of like a scrambler or a cafe racer type. Shed a lot of weight because it's kind of heavy, because it is a 750. But yeah, come with this little cool little BMW key. Thought that was cool. Yeah, it's a work in progress. I made it an hour back home from North Carolina, so I mean, it's not too bad for an old ass bike. But yeah, just a quick little update on the Beamer 2. I went back to stock wheels. Got Michelin tires on them. I think I'm just gonna pull the trigger on some nicer wheels eventually. I kind of like the stock. I might get those powder coated Alpine white around the same time I do the bike. That way they're all the same color. I think it'll look pretty cool. I like the white on black, but I don't know, now I'm looking at the stock rims and like, it look a lot better with paint match wheels, but I don't know. I guess I have to see what everybody thinks on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's pretty lit over there. But yeah, YouTube, this is it. Quick little update. Peace out. All right, another update. Took a couple things off. The fender right here. Fixed up some of the wiring up here. Took off the cluster. Relocated the ignition right here. Took off the license plate. I think that's all I'm gonna do today. Eventually I'm gonna buy the whole setup for the front instrument cluster, headlight, handlebars, all the controls up there, and then it'll be all right for a little bit. I think that's all I want to do to it. Maybe do LED, turn signals all around. I don't know, see what I can find on a bargain, because this is a budget build. I got this for free pretty much, so might as well try to keep it as budget friendly as possible and make it look as clean as possible. Same thing with the Beamer. But yeah, man, appreciate it. You know how to do it. You know I had to do it. Oh, with the M3 bumper, a little dirty. She's gonna work. It's my new project car, courtesy of my uncle, the GOAT. HR, yes sir. Runs and drives, rough, but damn, she's here. E46, F30. And you got jack speeds back here. Yeah. Set mine. Yes, sir. Got her back at the bend, man. Yes, sir. Tail light. You already know. Bumper. I already know. Doesn't look much, but wait for it. Wait for the transformation.